Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to cash out Solana from Revolut to Phantom Wallet. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open your Revolut app and then log in. Tap Crypto, which is on the bottom menu, and then you will select Solana, which is SOL, and then you will tap send, and then you will choose external wallet, and then open Phantom Wallet and copy your Sol deposit address. Paste the address into Revolut, and then enter the amount to send. Then you will review network fees and tap send, and then you will confirm with your Face ID, Touch ID, or PIN. Funds will appear in Phantom Wallet after network confirmations. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.